If you've ever been curious about who's secretly watching your profile or what your friends are really doing online, chances are a website like Stalknap.xyz might have caught your attention. It promises to reveal private social media data, everything from someone's location and saved photos to hidden chat messages and best friend lists. Sounds shocking, right? But the real question is, does it actually work? After looking closely at this site, several red flags start to appear. First, the domain Stalknap.xyz was only registered in June 2025, which means it's brand new, a major warning sign when dealing with personal data or sensitive information. Then there's the so-called human verification step. Instead of showing real results, the site forces you to complete surveys, download random apps, or click on suspicious links. And after all that effort, no actual information is revealed. There's also no About page, no contact section, and no official social media accounts, making it impossible to verify who runs it or where it operates from. Even more suspicious, there are no Trustpilot reviews or user feedback anywhere online. Zero evidence from real people showing that Stalknap.xyz has ever worked for anyone. All of this makes it look more like a data harvesting trap than a legitimate service. So while the idea of seeing someone's private details might sound tempting, trusting a site like this could put your own privacy and device security at serious risk. Always remember, if a website promises to break privacy rules or reveal secret data, it's probably just playing with your curiosity. Be smart, stay safe, and never give away your personal information to websites that can't prove they're real.